Welcome to Mr. Dungle's channel. Today's June 29th, 2021. We're going to be talking about 7 coins right now: VET, Ethereum, Bitcoin, ADA, AMP, One Harmony, and VTHO. As always, this is not financial advice, and I do this for entertainment purposes only. Go ahead, follow me on Twitter at mdungles if you want the latest calls, early calls, and etc. etc. So as you guys can see, we're on the 4-hour chart. We had a beautiful breakout, and if we were to look at the charts again, a lot of people were able to get in on the call at 7:10, 7:15 area, and since then have been able to go in. So we rode right here. We rode, came down a bit, which is normal. You're going to have dips, you're going to have minor corrections. Then we exploded here today, went high, and now we, tested right here at 951. And this, again, as you guys know, is just a continuation pattern, meaning we could, come down, which we probably will, and then continue our beautiful, beautiful growth to the upside. Is there a chance for more downwards movement? Absolutely. Are we out of the woods yet? No. Are we still in a bull run? Absolutely. Since day one, I've been saying it. We have been in a bull run. We're just in a bearish trend. Everybody else that covers these things is probably just, trying to make your YouTube money. Ethereum, here we go. Ethereum, the next one, same thing, beautiful thing. I know you guys remember on this fateful day of June 22nd, 2021, apologize, it hit down to $1,700, and people were like, oh, wow, we're going lower, lower. Instead, it decided to say, hold on, let me show you. We formed a beautiful pattern, but it didn't break out until right around here. A lot of EMA crossings, and it just made it perfect mixture. I think we're going to continue to see, and this is on the 4-hour Coinbase via TradingView again. We're going to see some, correction, which is healthy. It's normal. We just went today or 2 days ago, we went from 1818 to 22, almost $2,300 or $2,250 really. Come back down and then continue to the upside. Again, still room for downwards movement. I still expect that the month of July and August will be huge for crypto for a variety of reasons. Let's go into the Bitcoin, which is something that a lot of you guys are waiting for. Bitcoin's chart is right now on the monthly chart according to Coinbase compared to the USD. Here is what we need to do, in my opinion. In my opinion, number one, we need to close above 37,600 this month so that this converts into a green candle. Remember, I told you this is not a top. This is a continuation pattern. We're just going to correct, and then we're going to continue to upside and continue to go forward. What happens if we do close above 37,600? Well, probably a little bit of resistance and slowly work our way up. However, I do believe, this is my personal price prediction, I believe that by August we will be at $54,863. Expect corrections along the way, sideways trading, swing trades perfectly for those beautiful times. Cardano, another beautiful coin that a lot of people were able to get into some nice calls. We did not call this on our channel. We did not cover Cardano, but it is a coin that a lot of people have been asking for. Again, we are waiting to see some more confirmations. I think we're going to have fireworks around here, which would put it roughly anywhere between July 1st, July 3rd, July 2nd, in that range of time. And again, yes, there's still a chance to go down, but what I'm saying is we're going to continue to move forward, and you should probably accumulate it. You're going to have two sides of people, or two types of people. You're going to have a retail side, and that's here for trading, swing trading, and you're going to have the people that are long-term holders that are like, you know what, no matter what happens, I'm coming, and I'm here, and I'm going to sit, weather the storms. And one of the things we talk about on this channel is doesn't matter if it's a bull run, a bear market, bearish trend, bullish trend, you're still needs to make money. That's what you need to be doing. You need to have your moon bags, but you also need to be making dinero. You need to be making money. Go over to AMP, a coin that has been beautiful to trade, beautiful, absolutely phenomenal to trade. 4-hour chart. You guys remember this. So on the 26th, we went down to 5.4. We called this. Got all the way to like 6.2, but we didn't get out that way. We got out around like 6.1, which is beautiful. Swing traded a little bit, continued. nice patterns and continue. And then what happened here? Oh no, we're done. And then boom, before you know it. And again, sideways movement, continue. And that sideways movement is beautiful and healthy. Again, we can expect some downwards momentum and then continue our upwards trend. So many people are saying, oh, well, this is not what I'm hearing, and this is not what I'm. How are you hearing anything? This is market sentiment. This has to do with retail side. This has to do with, the big companies, the big corporations buying, governments buying. There's so many key components into the fluctuation of price. Now, I will tell you this: the volatility that is known right now in the crypto space will die down at some point, will slowly start to diminish. Why? Because as it becomes more, how should I put it, more adopted, then you will just lose that volatility. That's what's attracted so many people to the space right now. Obviously, you should do your research. You should check out what coins you're putting your money into. I would try to avoid meme coins. Otherwise, you're going to end up like a group of people that are very, very sad that continue to lose money. Also, when you speak to your friends and family and they tell you, hey, you're in crypto, you shouldn't be in Dogecoin, you should be like, it is crypto, but it's more than Dogecoin. Dogecoin is, or meme coin. You guys already know. We're not going to bash on them. They're a strong army. Army. Dogecoin to the moon. But no, seriously, Dogecoin is trash. Harmony One, here we go again. Harmony One of the favorite coins of the channel. I know you guys remember here on that faithful day, we came all the way down to 473. Everybody thought it was over. Some people were able to catch it and hold on. I didn't. We got in right around here at the 518 mark, and we've been riding it since, doing the swing trades, which is beautiful. And again, we don't promote leverage trading, no affiliate links or none of that stuff, because that's not healthy. You want to trade, do things that are comfortable for you, get your videos out. Leverage trading is like you're trying to get rich quick scheme, and you're just going to end up getting burnt. Do things that it's proven statistically for you to grow. Harmony One continue. I am looking right here to have some fireworks over the next 36 hours or so. I do anticipate we will go at least to around 722. There's a big level of resistance at 730, so 722 I'd get out probably and come back down, retest and see how it goes. VTHO, similar thing. A lot of people got in here, were able to hold, got out around here, got back in here, because remember, it did go down to 4.8. Our case, no. Our case, we got back in around 6.4. Cashed. I think people cashed out at like 7.70, and then now we're waiting. Again, we're waiting for a big thing to happen right around here. Get my little highlighter tool right around here, and we expect that to lead to the upside. Whether it comes down after that, obviously, everything's going to come down. It's going to have a correction. It's going to have its space, and it's important. I want you guys to always know that I am in your corner. I believe that you can change your life. I believe that crypto can change your life if you put your mind to it. You need to be strong. You need to be strong-minded. You need to do your research. You need to do your own, just your own research. Do what's best for you. Only you know how your pockets are. Make sure. Get a Ledger Nano wallet, Ledger Nano X, buy it through ledger.com. Pay your taxes, go through cryptotrader.tax. No, I'm not sponsored by anybody. Just letting you know the people that are very good to use, that are proven to be helpful. As always, I thank you guys for tuning in. Most of you are not watching this part, but if you're watching it, stay tuned because on my Twitter, there is a big giveaway coming up in just a matter of days. So go ahead and follow me on Twitter at mdungles and see what the giveaway is all about. Thank you. Take care. God bless. Jesus loves you. I love you. And we are done.